Bosque del Apache? What in the world is that? Well, let's go check it out. But first, on the way down, we'll stop into Socorro, New Mexico, do a little walkabout in the old town, and then back into the car for a short little hop over to San Antonio and the famous Owl Cafe for delicious green chili cheeseburger, and then finally over into the bird sanctuary in the Bosque. Okay, today's adventure is we're going to head down to the Bosque del Apache sanctuary in New Mexico, and we're just going to go out there. First of all, grab some food at the famous Owl Cafe, and then head through the Bosque del Apache, and that is what, Robyn?
It's a place that people like to go for bird watching, but it's like a wildlife preserve.
Cool.
So
we're not big bird fans, but I must say that it is kind of interesting to see all the different wildlife, and so we'll just go out and have a nice little adventure after the COVID lockdown. It is the 31st of December, last day of 2020, and we're ready to put this year to bed. So we just happened upon the city of Socorro and the town square here. I think you can see the sign right behind me. It says, established in 1598. So let's take a little walking tour of this. It's kind of a cool square. Kind of the old town feel to it. Shops all the way around the perimeter. Little bandstand. I find this kind of a unique juxtaposition between war and then the Christmas lights that reflect Christ dying for our sins. Two different wars. One is a war of man, and the other one is a war of eternity. just a gazillion birds out here. Maybe even a billion.
Did they get you?
Bird poo on my my jacket. Oh man.